U MCN's Andy Downs is on the new U launch in Spain with 3 new bikes being ridden for the first time: the K1300R naked bike, the Fared S and the Touring GT model, and has now just stepped off the new BMW K1300R after riding the new K1300S earlier today. This is what he has to say. If anything, the Roadster R is even better than the Sports Tourer S I rode earlier, except for the tires. That is, the R is fitted with Continentals which Aaron TA patch on the SS Metzellers. That said, the R is a great bike. It's great to hustle around the tight Spanish hairpins near Ronda. Surprisingly, there's decent weather protection and there's lots of nice detailing. 2. It comes with crash mushrooms and mini indicators, for example. All is standard. Read more in the January 21 issue of MCN. //